How do you market real estate? Morel Moscow says, once you understand marketing, then it makes no difference what niche you are marketing for. I would highly suggest getting yourself educated in marketing before wasting time and money on it. Or if you don't have time to learn, then employ someone who has. Marketing is a skill that really needs to be understood and practiced enough times. So use resources around you or you will find yourself in a deep dark pit. Hope that helps. John Sowerby says, I start by establishing a marketing budget based upon my potential commission from sale of the property. I then create a general profile of a potential buyer based upon the property, its location, condition, features, and potential sales price. Within the bounds of my budget, I create a detailed and specific marketing plan to reach that buyer. Luxury buyers and first-time home buyers on a shoestring budget are two very different animals and need to be approached using methods appropriate to their priorities, tastes, and resources. After creating marketing content, property description, photos, video, voiceover, I channel that content to print, online, direct mail, and other channels that are appropriate for the potential buyer, based upon my profile. I have never done the same program twice. Every potential buyer and every property is different. Taylor Aaron says, go into the neighborhoods you sell in or wish to sell in and knock on doors and introduce yourself. They don't have to be selling or even interested in selling, but they will have a face and name in mind when they do go to sell. They can then also recommend you one of their friends, family members, neighbors goes to sell and needs a real estate agent. A client of mine who I used to shoot for did this and created one of his most successful relationships. He happened to knock on the door of a guy who flipped houses for a living. It basically made his career. Thanks for watching our video on how do you market real estate.